Alright guys, so I'm doing a special video. I'm going to be making a sort of like a stew, okay? So what I have in here is chicken thighs. So I put it in my Instant Pot and I've already cooked it out, as you can see, okay? Now I'm going to use that broth to make a sort of chili out of it, okay? So what that is just chicken broth. So I'm going to pluck the meat right from the bones, discard the bones, put that in with like beans, Swiss chard, carrots, and then I'm going to cook it up, and then I'm going to put it into the Instant Pot and then just cook it up, and I'll do a quick taste test here, so stay tuned. Alright, so I got some Swiss chard there, I got some chickpeas, and I got some kidney beans and the corn there, so I'm going to be putting that in the chili, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I just want to show you, I took all the chicken thighs, ripped out the bones, the meat, all that stuff is in there. The carrots I put in there, so it's sitting in the chicken broth itself. And then I'm going to put in all the vegetables I mentioned: the Swiss chard, the chickpeas, the beans, the corn's going to go in there. So just give me a minute and I'll show you. All right, guys. So it is all set up. As you can see, the Swiss chard's in there, chickpeas, the kidney beans, the carrots, the chicken, the broth. So I've never done it with a real chicken broth, so I'm going to see how it turns out. And so I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot, as you can see. That's what you see here. So I'm going to get that set up. Be about, I think if I push the button there, it'll probably be 20 minutes, I think. So, and I'll be done. So I'll be back, guys. I'll give you the end result. Alright, guys, check this out. So the chili is all done. This is the broth. That was the chicken originally, and let's do a quick taste test of it. It should have all its flavors melded in. Here you go, check that out. That is good. That is like, it's got the taste of the chicken, it's got the taste of all of that vegetables in there, the carrots. It makes it taste really good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.